What's going on, Heads Up fans? It's Mike coming back at you from the headquarters. This episode, we have volume 14 of Rookie Explosion Box. This is our favorite product of the month that we get. So let's get right on into it. Thank you, Philmington, for another fantastic quality product. We have our checklist. Of course, always got to have the checklist. What we got coming at us this month. There's Phil's information along with the website if you are able to get yourself involved in this fantastic product. I highly encourage you to do so, but act quick because they go fast. So definitely check out Rookie Explosion, RCExplosionbox.com, and make sure you follow Philmington on all his social media platforms. We're going to take the packs out. We're going to go through the packs, decide our opening order, tell you what the key rookies in each product are, and we'll go from there. All right, excellent. So number one is 1985 Leaf, Canadian Donruss. We'll be looking for Clemens, Puckett, and Doc Gooden in that one. We have 1990 Leaf Series 2. We'll be looking for Frank Thomas and Larry Walker. All right. Next up is 2004 Tops. This is going to have Yadier Molina, and Zach Greinke cards in it. Awesome. 2013 Tops Update featuring Christian Yelich, Arenado, Anthony Rendon, Garrett Cole, and Didi Gregorius. We have 2018 Tops Chrome with Acuna, Torres, Otani, Devers, Albies, Bueller, Flaherty, Hoskins, potential autographs of all those guys. Last time we opened this, we got the Alex Verdugo rookie card. Now a member of the Red Sox. Next up is 18 Heritage High Number, which again is Acuna, Soto, Torres, Otani, Meadows. Different variations and autos from those guys. We have 18 Heritage High Number, or Minor League, Heritage Minor League. Yordan Alvarez, Fernando Tatis, Vlad Jr., Alonso, Jimenez, Gavin Lux, Bo Bichette, Royce Lewis, Drew Waters, Alex Kirilloff, short prints and autos of those guys as well. Next up, we have the 2019 Bowman's Best, featuring Tatis, Guerrero, Alonso, Jimenez, Hura, Riley, Kopech, Senzel, Kieboom, Wander Franco, Louis Robert, Joe Adele, Adley Rutschman, Bo Bichette, and autos and parallels of all of those guys as well. Then we have 2019 Top Series 2, looking for that Vlad Jr. no number, as well as Tatis, Jimenez, and Alonso true rookie cards there. 19 update with basic and rookie cards of Guerrero Jr., Hira, Riley, Senzel, Kieboom, Arraez, autos, inserts, relic cards, all of that good stuff in that one as well. Let's see, and last but not least is 20 Tops Series 1, 2020, with rookie cards of Alvarez, Lux, Bichette, Aristides Aquino, Nico Horner, Luzardo, Dustin May, Brandon McKay, AJ Puck, Trent Grisham, Kyle Lewis, variations, autos, relics, and inserts of all those guys. All right, so we're going to do the quick shuffle here, figure out exactly which way these are all going to fall for us. And I think I have it, so here we go. All right, so we'll start with the 85 Leaf Wax. We'll be looking for that Clemens for sure out of here. Puzzle piece. Lou Gehrig puzzle. There we go. Going to start off with a Darryl Strawberry. Nice Darryl. Mike Easler for the Red Sox, Jim Wolford, Jeff Reardon, Bob Nepper, Charlie Huff, Diamond King of Dan Quisenberry, Tim Teufel, Kent Herbeck, Raleigh Fingers, look at that stash. Sweet. Jody Davis, and a John Denny. So none of the guys that we're looking for in that one. Next up is the 90 Leaf Series 2. Frank Thomas, Larry Walker. Nice and easy, not to damage. Our next puzzle piece, this one's Yogi Berra. That's it on the puzzle pieces. All right, we got Dan Pasqua, Glenn Wilson, Jack Howell, Hal Morris. There's a Dennis Lamp, Mike Harkey, Brad Kaminsk, Dave Justice, Louis Soho, Jeff Huson, Danny Jackson, Brian Holman, Don Robinson, Ron Hassey, and Mike Pagliarulo. All right, so nobody that we're looking for in there. That's all right, though. We'll make it happen. Next up is 18 Topps Update. 18 Topps Chrome. And there is Ohtani. An Ohtani rookie. That's a nice one. There's a Benintendi Refractor. Benintendi. Chris Davis and Matt Chapman. Nice. Next up, we're going to do 18 Heritage High number. So this will be looking for Acuna, Soto, Torres, Ohtani, Meadows, all the guys. Let's see who we get. Swing Juan O. Jurickson Profar. Victor Currentini rookie card. Mike Gerber rookie card. Curtis Granderson, Tyler Beatty rookie card out of Auburn, Massachusetts. Jose Martinez, Eduardo Escobar, and Jarlin Garcia. All right. Check for any high numbers there later. All right. Next up, we'll do the 2004 Series 1, Top Series 1. Greinke and Yachty. That's who we'll be looking for out of here. We got a little bit of a sticky. Let's see. We got Geronimo Gill, Brad Fulmer. We got a Nomar Garcia Parra, Rich Aguilar. Flip back. Steve Finley, Lance Carter. ERA leaders of Jason Schmidt, Kevin Brown, and Mark Pryor. Rookie card of John Labanderia. All right. Jose Mesa and a Carlos Tosca. All base out of that pack. All right. Next up is the 18 Heritage Minor League, and this will be looking for last year's Big Four and this year's Big Four. We got some kind of parallel here, so let's flip that to the back and see what we got before then. We got Adonis Medina, Matt Sauer, Kyle Lewis, not too bad. Josh Naylor, saw Wander Javier, Edward Cabrera. There's a Mackenzie Gore Sporting News and a Kyle Lewis blue parallel for the Nuts. This is going to be numbered 64 out of 99. So not too bad. Kyle Lewis numbered card. All right. Next up is the 19 update. Mike Moustakas, Adam Warren. There's a Keston Hiura rookie card. Hiura. Robbie Grossman, Nick Senzel rookie debut. Jurius Familia, Scott Oborg, Carlos Santana All-Star Game. I don't recognize that picture, so I'm just going to check that it's the base, which it is. All right. Griffin Caning, 35th anniversary insert. Louis Rengifo, rookie. Danny Vogelbach, J.P. Crawford, Tanner Roark, and J.T. Real Muto. All right. 2020 Topps Series 1. Looking for the new Big Four. So again, that's, let's see, that's Jordan, Lux, Aquino, and Bo Bichette. All right. Clayton Kershaw. Future stars of Ramon Laureano. Cole Calhoun, Ryan Yarbrough, Lewis Brinson, Alex Young rookie card. Austin Hedges, CJ Cron, Aaron Nola, Willie Adames, Chicago Cubs. There's a Decade's Best insert of Tom Glavine. In Adbert Alzolay rookie card, and Yuli Gurriel. All right, next up is 19 Series 2. Looking for that Vlad, as well as Tatis and Alonso and Jimenez. There you go. Gary Sanchez, German Marquez, Trevor Story, Andrew Benintendi, Kenta Maeda, Ketel Marte, Tyler O'Neill, Jacob Faria, Jeff Mathis, Baltimore, Camden Yards, beautiful park. Let's see, Stanton and Judge getting into it together. Peter O'Brien. There's a gold rookie of Willens Astudillo. Not too bad. That's going to be 1678 out of 2019. Astudillo, gold rookie. Nice. And a Ryan Brazier. All right, 2 packs left. The best 2 IMO 2013 update. There we go. Dustin Pedroia. Very nice. Matt Harvey. There's a Zach Wheeler rookie debut. Drake Britton rookie. James Shields. Samuel Denduno. Boom. Arenado rookie card. Arenado rookie. That's one of the ones that we're looking for. There's a Chris Colabello rookie. This is going to be a Drew Stubbs gold card. Numbered 867 out of 2013. So a Drew Stubbs gold. And then a Postseason Heroes insert of Derek Jeter. That was a pretty good pack. Our last pack is going to be 19 Bowman's Best. A product that I have enjoyed a lot. So let's see what we get out of here. We're going to have an Andrew Vaughn, Brett Batty, Eloy Jimenez rookie, a Vlad Guerrero Jr. franchise favorites rookie card. Very nice. And then a Josh Bell refractor. All right, so we will figure out what we're going to do with all that afterwards. And let's recap what I consider to be the hits of the break. So we have the Eloy Jimenez rookie card. Eloy rookie. The Vlad Jr. insert rookie, franchise favorites. Derek Jeter, postseason heroes insert, as well as Drew Stubbs gold card. And probably the hit of the break was the Nolan Arenado rookie card out of the 2013 update. Got a gold rookie card of Williams Astudillo. Not the Twins rookie we were necessarily looking for, but a good one nonetheless. Griffin Canning, insert rookie. Kyle Lewis, blue parallel, numbered 64 out of 99 for the Mariners. A solid prospect. See one of the guys that he mentions in there? No, but he's just off of the list. Andrew Benintendi refractor and a Shohei Ohtani rookie out of 18 Topps Chrome. So, all in all, not too bad of a rip. Once again, Philmington, thank you so much for always putting out such a quality product. I'm looking forward to next month's already. Can't wait. And we will see you next time at Heads Up Sports Cards. And always don't, and remember, buy the t-shirt. Peace.